What is going on in 2025? Huh? What is going on in 2025? Are we seeing the book of Joel? Did you see those pillars of smoke? Or no, that pillar of smoke, did you see it? Are we seeing the Bible fulfilling right in front of our eyes? Did you see what happened in New Jersey? Did you see that blood river?
This water right here looks like fruit punch. It's red. That is really weird. I'm paddling currently through red water. Look at that. You can see in the splash. That water is red. That is wild.
What is happening in 2025? Where is this going? We need to get ready. We need to get ready. Something strange is happening. Did you see those floods in Texas?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
And the threats of war. There's so much stuff happening. What is happening in 2025? What is the world getting ready for? What is the world preparing for? Are you asleep? Am I asleep? Are you not seeing what's happening in the world right now? Get ready, get ready, get ready.